Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to you as well. I hope you guys are doing well. As you probably saw by the title of this video, today we're gonna be reviewing and trying on a U-Part wig from Temu, and this is an 18-inch tight curl wig. I think that's what it was called. I'll leave the description here. I'm not entirely sure. This is my first time trying a U-Part wig, so don't be too hard on me. So I'm gonna show you the wig and we're gonna go ahead and try it on. Okay, so it came in this package. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And it came with a wig cap, and then this is what it looks like. So it does look like a more of a loose curl than my own hair, so hopefully we can make this work regardless. So this is 18-inch. It looks a little short to me, but we'll see once I try it on. I do wish I've gotten it in like a longer length, but I just wanted something that's like easy when I don't feel like dealing with my own hair. As you can see, I do have a lot of hair, but sometimes I don't want to like deal with it or style it, but I still want to be cute, you know? I'm gonna try my best and try and style this for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It does look a little short to me as an 18-inch wig. Or am I tripping? It looks really short. This is 180 density and it's human hair as well. The curls are quite nice. So we're gonna try this on. So usually when I get a wig for the first time, I usually like shampoo it and wash it. But I'm not gonna do that for the purpose of this video, but we still gonna style it and see what we're working with. Before we get to all that, I'm obviously gonna have to prepare my hair. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. I do have a lot of hair, and for the life of me, I can't corner my own hair. So I usually just like slick it back and try to do the best I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and prep my hair, and then we can try on this wig. I think it might blend in with my hair. The curl is not as loose as I thought. We'll see. So let me prep my hair. So I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I have no idea what to do with my hair. Usually it's easier when you have a wig, because then I can like swing it around my head. But I guess I didn't realize how long my hair actually is. So now I'm just trying to figure out how to like style it so that we can try on this wig. We're just gonna walk with this for now. Like I said, guys, just bear with me. This is my first time trying a U-Part wig, so we're gonna work with what we got. It does look a bit bulky at the back. I can feel it, but this is what we're working with for now. Hopefully it works, so let's try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the straps. It does have lace at the back too, so if you want to wear it like up, I guess. And then it has the clips over there. So let's see how well these clips actually work. So I'm gonna just leave the lace over there, because I don't really care much about the back. And then you can also like adjust it. Okay, this is what we got at the moment. Let's see if we can get it to match up with my hair. Okay, it sits quite nice. I don't hate the length. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. So let's see. My hair might actually be longer than it. Let me just style my hair a little bit more, and then let's see what we can do with this situation. I'm gonna use the curl oil gel. So this is just to define my own curls, so that my hair is like less frizzy and more curly. It's starting to look better already. Just gonna brush it so it's a little more defined. So I'm gonna use some curling mousse and just bring the look together a little bit more. Okay, not bad. I'm actually liking the way it's starting to look. Just ignore the lace situation. Yeah, I obviously have to cut the lace off, and my hair at the back needs to be like figured out or whatever. If you obviously gonna try this, you can do way better than me, and I know that for sure. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just need to like fix this part over here. I think I didn't leave out enough hair to like cover that part. But aside from that, I think this is a cute look. I'm not mad at the length. I just wish I had gotten one that's a little bit longer. And I guess I expected it to be a little bit longer, but it's my fault. that I didn't do that. But other than that, I really like this. So let me fix my baby hairs and these little strayaways that's over here. This is the end result. I feel like the ends can use some work. It could be better. But yeah, this is what we are working with currently. The only problem I have is like the ends, but that means I'm gonna have to cut it even more shorter than it already is. But other than that, I do like it. I'll probably have to like play around more with this wig. Let me know if it was a hit or a must. I think I'm so used to my own hair being a little bit like more defined, and this is like giving very much frizzy. But yeah, the hair is quite nice. It looks very natural. It blends in with my hair really nicely. I could probably have defined it a little bit more, but yeah, this is what we got. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, this hair is from Temu, and I'll leave the link down below. And if you are new to Temu, I'll leave my link down below too, so you can get some free coupons. If you already have Temu, I have a code for you as well if you want to get 30% off your order. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Until next time, bye.